5 packs of 22-inch body wave. I love the like crinkle look. To go from this to this in 2 hours. Yeah, let me show you half. Come on. All right, you guys, so we're gonna do things a little different this time. I will be doing crochet. My dog over there eating. She will decide to eat when I'm ready to film. But you see I'm starting off with some cornrows here. I have 2 different types of hair. They're both crochet hair, by the way. Everything is from Ywigs. So first I have these crochet locks. So a little hole. I don't know how long these are. They're 20 inches or 22 inches. And I also have this body wave feathered crochet hair. And this is in 22 inches. So to achieve this style, I will be using 2 different types of hair. Crochet lock hair, feather crochet hair. And I will be using this latch hook so we can crochet everything in. Like, I want to keep this video as simple as possible so that, you know, any and everybody can do it. So starting off, I will just crochet all the locks in. Like, it's as simple as that. So we're going in. When doing this, I like to keep the hair on the lock and bring that through. Real easy. It shouldn't take long. So let me install all of these and I'll be back for the second part. All right, so I'm crocheting in the last lock, but I also have a couple more locks left. So I would just go in and fill in the area that's sparse like this, because I just wanted to make sure I could complete my head, because I only had 3 packs to start off with. And you know, you can easily overcrowd a section. So I want to put them in not too close starting off so that I can go in now to make sure I have enough hair, and then I can go back in and fill in some areas. Maybe one more here. Let's check the middle while I'm trying to do the side. Hold on. Okay, boom. I have in all 3 packs and it looks full. Looks really good. I love the like crinkle look. Shake them jazz, shake them jazz, shake them jazz. Okay, so for the next step is add in the human hair. Wow, I didn't take this off before. I don't know why I did. I be trying to make sure my hair off when I film because I feel like I can hear it in my video. Ooh, the hair was entangled, yay. So per lock, I know I will add a piece of hair at the base and then throughout the lock. One up here at the top. Pull that through, okay. And then I'll go into the lock again, pull that hair through and crochet that on. See, I'm just crocheting it on to each lock. Up and around, crochet that on, and then I'll do one towards the end. So basically have 4 pieces per lock. I do not like my neighbors. I don't know if she be doing stuff to actually get on my nerves or what. Okay, boom. Oh, this is gonna be so cute. Okay, so look. Okay, so here's the locks. Boom, stopping about right here with just the crochet locks. And then after I add the human hair. Stop it, stop. Okay, that's super cute. Crochet where? Okay, so 4 pieces per lock. One at the very top, boom, boom, and then boom. Baby, this is turning out better than expected. Wait! Like, what? But I wanted to come on and show you guys that I'm ready to start on my second bundle. Oh, this is so gorgeous. And it's taking no time because I just crocheted everything in. And start off with some cornrows. But yeah, this is one pack. Like I said, I'm doing 4 pieces per braid. You can use less. But yeah, I think 4 is good enough with that distance in between. So let me go ahead and finish one side so we can compare the two because it's so tea. I'm ready to hurry and be done. What's today, Wednesday? I might need to go out. My hair is too tea. All right, y'all, so I'm halfway done, and this is 3 packs of the feather crochet hair because 4 is a lot, but it looks so full. It looks so good. Look at that. Before, after. So much hair. It's so cute. Reaching out. Wow. Okay, so I'm all done. Y'all, I used 5.5 packs of hair. This is all the hair I have left. And this is out of the 6 pack. My hair is so full. It's so full, but it's so pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup right quick. And I'll be back. Face done. But let's get into this hair. It's so tea. Like, here it is up close. Okay, so look, this is all of the hair. 5 packs of 22-inch body wave. So it took me about, because I started about 6 something and it's 9:02 right now. And I stopped to do my makeup. So it didn't take me long at all. Yeah, I started at 6:30 and probably finished about 8:30 because I did my makeup. 2 hours for this crochet boho lock video. All right, let's see what the back is giving. It's so long. Ooh wee. Even pulled back in a ponytail look good. Okay, half up, half down with a cute little claw clip. Wow. 2 hours. Like what? Cut the cameras. Cut the cameras. Love this. Y'all, click the link down below. Go get this hair. Now, this is a lot of hair.